Hi, everyone. Today I will be sharing a lesson designed for fourth graders that integrates English language arts and visual art standards. So the ELA standard we're focusing on is ELA standard 4R5, which involves referring to details and evidence in a text to explain what the text says explicitly and to draw inferences. So for the arts, we'll be using the art standard for R1 from the respond strand, which involves selecting and describing multiple elements of art and design. So in the lesson, students will analyze Van Gogh's Starry Night by combining textual evidence and art analysis. This activity helps students build critical thinking skills by encouraging them to draw connections between written descriptions and visual elements. So, we'll begin at displaying Starry Night and asking students to take a minute to observe the painting. This initial observation encourages students to notice the details and begin thinking about the painting's elements. And then the students will write down the things that stand out to them. And then next, I will provide a short excerpt about Van Gogh and Starry Night. I read this aloud to the class while the students follow along, and the text includes descriptions of the painting and gives insight into Van Gogh's intentions. So then the students will compare the details from the text with what they see in the painting. So, for example, if the text mentions swirling patterns in the sky, then the students will identify the patterns in the painting and then they'll discuss what that might represent. And this step integrates the ELA standard by requiring students to use textual evidence to support their observations. At this point, the students can write down a list of the different meanings that they might think of. So then we can go over the elements of art, line, shape, color, texture, form, space, and value. And we use Starry Night to show these elements and discuss how Van Gogh uses them to create the overall effect of the painting. So then we go into a group activity, and the students are divided into small groups, and with each group focusing on one element of art. And they will discuss how their chosen element is used in Starry Night and its impact on the viewer. And this activity not only meets the art standard for R1, but also fosters collaborative learning and critical thinking. So then after the group activity, we'll come back together as a class to share the findings. We'll discuss how the textual details and art elements work together to enhance our understanding of the painting. And then the students will write a short paragraph just explaining what they think Van Gogh is trying to convey in Starry Night, using evidence from both the text and the painting. So to conclude, students will reflect on how analyzing both text and art helps them appreciate works of art more deeply. And they write one thing they learned about interpreting art and one thing they learned about using evidence from text. And this reflection will just reinforce the lesson objectives and provide valuable insights into their learning process. So that's it. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.